Okay, so in this video I will try to briefly go over the updates that are going to be conducted in TMS over the weekend. First, right here is a list and settlements. So if we open up any settlement, this one for example, you will see that we have added a possibility to change the settlement without deleting it and rolling the order back to change the order to regenerate a settlement. So you can actually now add any express codes, toll transactions, fuel card transactions, charges or movements, and also change the settlement date and hit OK to save it. So next we can go to reports, and for example, let's run a truck report. So we can select all trucks, hit calculate for the given date period, and you will see that we have added a possibility to export it to an Excel file if you need it. Next up is planning and accounting. Now, in here, we have added two options. First, which is the billing email, which you can add by right-clicking here and visible columns. And the second one is going to be by right-clicking for all those checked orders, and you will now be able to move them to complete it in a batch. So there you go. Those are basically all the updates. Should you have any questions or issues regarding those, please contact me via email or just dial me in. Thank you.